Cryptocurrency exchanges are getting better each year. We are presented with new and fun ways to have transactions that can benefit us one way or another. The exchange rate of digital currency goes up every minute of the day. Because of this, you need to ensure that your crypto platforms are on a point with security and deliverance. Do you know the best crypto exchanges for this new year? If not, don't worry, because we are going to introduce you to some of them. This is Fiat Bear. Before moving ahead, please take a brief moment, go down and touch the like button. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, go to subscribe to stay connected. To make a profit, you swap one cryptocurrency for another on crypto trading platforms. Many people utilize this trading technique to protect their assets against inflation by saving or investing in cryptocurrencies. Some investors are just looking to acquire or sell for a profit. Crypto trading is quickly becoming a viable source of revenue for crypto enthusiasts. Whatever the motivation, cryptocurrency exchanges are a massive industry for many individuals. That's why it's essential for you to be updated with the best crypto exchanges to get involved in. Let's get started. Crypto.com. Monaco Advances GmbH was founded in June 2016, serving as a headquarters for Crypto.com. The platform has emerged as one of the most well-known cryptocurrency trading platforms. It is a middleman token that can be used to convert Bitcoin into fiat money at a lower cost. It is presently ranked 22 in the cryptocurrency display, with a market capitalization of $19 billion. Clients may use this platform to buy, sell, and exchange over 200 different cryptocurrencies. This exchange accepts advanced arranged types, prospective contracts, and other cryptocurrency goods such as NFTs. It also provides Bitcoin incentives, credit cards, staking, and the Crypto.org chain, which is a blockchain ecosystem. Clients can earn token payouts for certain postings on the Crypto.com app by staking CRO. By staking their Crypto.com coins on either, users may earn up to 12% annual rate of return. Though users need to be careful because expenditures will be higher if you do not have and use CRO coins. That's why it is more reasonable for seasoned dealers than for new investors. Customer service is abysmal, considering that dealing with reduced exchange rates might be difficult. BlockFi. BlockFi is one of the greatest cryptocurrency exchanges and one of the highest yielding crypto trading platforms on the market. It provides more than 8% yearly interest on your cryptocurrency, which outperforms the majority of the top savings services. Aside from that, blockchain allows you to borrow against your coins if you require immediate cash. So rather than liquidating your assets or selling your coins, you may simply take out a loan from the site. Isn't that cool? This platform was founded in 2017 with the objective of providing credit and banking-grade administrations to company sectors with no admissions to an investment account. BlockFi allows you to automate your trades, making their service simple to use. In addition, the platform pays you a 7.5% bonus just for holding cryptocurrency in your record. When your cryptocurrency stays in your account, you are eligible for a regularly scheduled installment. They amass a modest exchange charge from your gains over time. You may quickly auction your cryptocurrency for cash if you are in an emergency. However, BlockFi also lets you to obtain a loan in USD by pledging 50% of your coins as security. It implies that if you repay the loan within the time range specified, you will be granted your possessions back. BlockFi only supports a few common cryptocurrencies, so make sure your exchange currency is supported before making a selection. Ethereum, Gemini Dollar, US Dollar, USDT, Stablecoin, USDC, the Gemini, Bitcoin Pax Gold, Dollar, GUDS, and other coins are among them. Finally, utilizing the BlockFi Visa credit card can result in some excellent benefits. It may pay you up to 1.5% in Bitcoin interest on any purchases made using the card. Furthermore, there are no yearly fees. Although there are less coins in short supply, and the platform is currently under security surveillance in various states. That's the reason why free withdrawals are limited. BlockFi is, however, under surveillance, a cryptocurrency platform that is well known across the world. It may operate everywhere there is no restriction on crypto trading activity. It also does not charge a commission for trading. In general, BlockFi does not charge a fee for every transaction you conduct on their network. They do, however, charge a little spread fee. eToro. The eToro trading platform is simple to use and safe. You can receive up to 16 cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, immediately on their platform. It also includes a Bitcoin wallet in which you may store your coins. The eToro wallet is secure and can contain many coins at the same time. Yoni Asia founded eToro in 2007, and it has expanded from a small private firm in Hoboken, New Jersey, to one with registered branches in Israel, Cyprus, and the United Kingdom. For the time being, eToro is solely utilized for Bitcoin trading in the United States. Nonetheless, the EU, non-US investors, or other non-US commodities, stocks, indices, CFDs, cryptocurrencies, and other assets can be traded. eToro is presently regarded as one of the greatest social trading platforms since investors may mimic the trades of top traders and achieve similar outcomes. If you're new to eToro, this is a terrific way to get your feet wet until you're confident enough to make profitable trades on your own. You will receive $50 free on the platform after you establish an account with them and begin trading with at least $500 worth of cryptocurrencies. Before you begin trading on eToro, you must have the relevant papers for verification, such as proof of identification, POI, and proof of residence, or POA. They assist investors and dealers from over 140 nations worldwide. To begin trading, you must deposit at least $50 into your deposit money, as well as at least $25 for trading. Investors can duplicate trades by selecting a certain trader and automatically making the identical deals as the one they are emulating. You may establish a stop loss and dedicate a specific amount to each duplicate transaction to hedge your assets. Hold on, please click the subscribe button to get an alarm for new updates. Also, don't forget to leave a like, and do you have any questions so far? Tell us in the comments below. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Now let's continue the list of the best crypto exchanges. Kraken. Kraken, which was founded just 2 years after the creation of Bitcoin, is one of the more established cryptocurrency exchanges on the market. Kraken, although not the most recent platform, provides top-notch security, more than 60 currencies to pick from, and the opportunity to stake or loan out your coins in exchange for incentives, all at the pricing point that is on the lower end of the market average. Kraken's top-tier security, cheaper trading costs, and wide selection of accessible cryptos may make it an excellent alternative for both new and seasoned cryptocurrency investors. However, like with Coinbase, don't stay in novice mode for too long to prevent losing huge amounts of monies to fees on the platform's training wheels. More experienced crypto investors may be interested in Kraken's currency, staking, and margin offers. While the latter had been a differentiating feature of Kraken over many other prominent platforms, it has since been limited to people with extremely substantial sums of assets in the United States. But it remains available to those outside of America. Advanced American traders can continue to profit from Kraken's vast number of cryptocurrency trading platforms and decreasing costs as trading volume grows. Having said that, all investors should exercise caution while engaging in even basic cryptocurrency trading on Kraken or any other platform. Don't put money into investments that you can't afford to lose. Binance. Binance is one of the most popular decentralized exchange platforms, with over 150 cryptocurrencies available for trade and accessible to both individuals and institutions. It also features a well-known Bitcoin wallet. Furthermore, it is designed for consumers who want to invest in smaller coins, since it provides traders with access to over 50 different cryptocurrencies. Its beginner and advanced charting, user education, and plethora of trading possibilities make it useful to traders all over the world. Finally, it has remained the greatest in terms of world trade since its founding. It accomplished this in just 6 months after its inception. Binance is also in the top tier thanks to its user-friendly support for several languages. Binance's P2P feature makes trading on the platform even more convenient. It offers no hidden costs and the best exchange rates. You may operate your crypto operation without fear of being scammed, since Binance offers an escrow account where you and your peer can retain your exchanges until you are pleased with what you received. It is permissible to use both crypto and fiat currencies. That's why it's advisable to use, providing that it has trading interfaces that are usable by both beginners and expert users. There are other platforms you may want to explore, but the list mentioned is by far the best you can use, considering they are widely known and have a lot of features that let you enjoy cryptocurrency at its finest. So go on and try them out! If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then subscribe and hit the notification button to get alarmed with our latest content. If you want to make money, then Fiat Bear is for you. Thanks for your time. Cheers!